Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have given a rope of negligible mass and it is wound around a hollow cylinder of mass 3 kg and whose radius is 40 semi. We have to calculate its angular acceleration when the rope is pulled with a force of 30 Newton. So as we know that the moment of inertia of the hollow cylinder about its geometrical axis is given by, that is I is equal to, this is mr square. So this will comes out to be 3 into this is 0.4 square. Now we know that the torque due to the force is given by, that is tau is equals to r into f. So this is equals to 0.4 into 30. So we can say this is 12 Newton. Now we have a relation between the torque and angular acceleration, that is tau is equals to I alpha. So put all the data in this equation. So this is 12 is equals to, this is 3 into 0.4 square into alpha. From here we can find the value of alpha and this will comes out to be 25 radian per second square. So this is the angular acceleration and this is our answer. So we can say for that option C is the correct choice. Thank you.